use wisdom. Who's the next victim? Fuck the whole system. Now where do I begin? You're such a troubling thing. You should be in linen and things with a clitoris ring. You pitiful thing. Let me get a fisherman jig. I'm itching for gigs. You ain't considerate pig. I'm hitting it big. Let me get a cig and a Lucy. I'm lifted in a hoopty. Singing just shoot me. I'm sick of everybody calling up and talking sideways. Fuck that guy. Yeah, I think he works at Fridays. It's all highways. You can come and try me. He looks pretty nice, but I'm really kinda grimy. Why'd they even sign me? I'm sitting on a shelf. Fuck everybody now. I'm sticking to myself. I'm looking for my belt. It's time you get a beating. Wait, why is everybody leaving? They told me I'm the headline for the entire evening. Now everybody's emo and not really into hip-hop. I'll choke you in a thrift shop. Tell me that my shit's hot. I smoke pot. I just wanted you to know that. I'm listening to throwbacks. To diss you on your own track. Who's really spending money for your songs on Snowcat? Wait a minute, go back. You don't even own that. I'm full of shit. I don't think that you can handle it. You know I'm doing all the beats, right?
Who's in town?
This is Bulls Infused Wisdom. Who's the next victim? Fuck the whole system. This is Bulls Infused Wisdom. Who's the next victim? Fuck the whole system. It's kinda rude how we loaded up and call shots. You're kinda square. You could use a little more box. They put it on Fox News in a porn shop. I'm in a pawn shop trying to sell them corn pops. I think I'm going pop. I think I'm mainstream. Quick time me off. I'm trying to hit the same vein. Are you following the tracks? Your girlfriend's back and she's swallowing my lap on your ottoman. In fact, thank God I'm into rap. If I wasn't, I'd be dead. I'm only doing shows to get your mother into bed. I need another keg. We're running out of beer. It's kinda hard to drive when your vision isn't clear. Gentlemen, I'm here. I'm ready for whatever. Yo, I think I hit that Jetta. I'm glad I never met her, cause I probably would upset her. I should go into a dark room, sing another sad tune, take a couple bad shrooms, make a couple bad moves.